Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new GEELY STARRAY. This is an impressive SUV, 4 meters 67 is the length of the car, and just look at the design here on the front, very futuristic. Look at those beautiful lights and very pronounced grille as well. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like the design? And now we will move on to the side where you will notice the pronounced wheel arches, 19-inch wheels. Here is your side view, and the car locks itself, so when we go away, and I will now unlock it once again. There we go. Look at this. The taillights have the gorgeous design, connected taillights with this beautiful animation upon unlocking the car, and very pronounced styling here. Look at the shape, and then again this line emphasizing the width of the car. Unlock it, and now we will check out the trunk space, which is huge, 650 liters up to 1610 liters. When you fold the seats, you have the spare tire in here, and I think now we are ready to go on a nice relaxed night point of view test drive. So when I approach the car with the key, it unlocks, and here look at this gorgeous modern interior. And now we will go for the details. So let me show you how it looks from driver's perspective. Okay, then here is your view as a driver. Let me start the car. There we go. Put on my seatbelt, and yeah, we are ready to start the drive. And the car has got the panoramic sunroof. I will now just open the cover, and as you can see, the lovely layout in front of us. So without further ado, let's put the car into drive, and off we go. Look at the surround view. That is helping a lot when maneuvering through parking lots and garages, and yeah, definitely a very useful feature. And let's start with the specifications of the model in our video. It's got the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol unit producing 174 horsepower, front wheel drive, and here you see the gear selector for the 7-speed automatic transmission, so the 7-speed DCT. The figures: acceleration from 0 to 100 takes 9.7 seconds, and the top speed is 190 kilometers per hour. Now you can also go for the stronger version with the 2-liter petrol unit producing 238 horsepower. That one has the all-wheel drive, and the acceleration on that one is 8.2 seconds. Top speed is 215 kilometers per hour. Now those are the two engine options for the car, but today's focus of course is this front-wheel drive 1.5 liter model, and I think you will enjoy the drive in the car just as much as I will. And you see, we have a lot of turns in order to get out of this garage, and then we will take a nice relaxed drive through my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. And the surround view again, I want to show you this, so very cool detail. And the layout here in front of us is beautiful. We have the 10.2-inch digital cockpit, and in the middle 13.2-inch touchscreen. The dashboard is very futuristic. You also see the ambient lights. You can change the color. I will show you all of that. So if we go here to the car settings. Here it's where you can change the color of ambient lights. Not sure how much the camera is catching it, but I will do a separate video of the car during the night, so there you will be able to see all the details. But yeah, definitely a nice touch, those ambient lights that go here from one side all the way to another. And here the surround view, so when you turn on the indicator at lower speeds, you will get this surround view that again is very helpful, but also looking very cool as well. The steering wheel feels nice in hand, the 3-spoke one that you see here in front of us. And the car has got different driving modes, and in order to change them, you go here to the car settings, and now here you have a bunch of things. So we are currently in comfort mode. You can go and change it to sports, eco, or intelligent. And let me now show you the ambient lights. So not sure how much the camera is catching it, but look at this. You can change the color and they are so cool. Various colors are available, also the theme colors. Or the solid colors. And you can link them to AC settings or the music. So now when I'm changing the temperature, then you can see those red and blue animations. Very cool. Speaking about the AC settings, you have them here. So yeah, it's on touch, and then here is how you can change the temperature. But there's also the automatic mode, so I think it will be pretty easy to find your ideal setting, because the auto mode has got soft, comfortable and powerful settings. So yeah, pretty easy to find what works best for you. Let's put the sport mode now. And I'm really loving the feeling that you have here behind the steering wheel. Again, this driver-oriented interior, lovely screens, and the way that the car feels on the road, so good. I will do another lap here. So I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the drive so far? And we can also put the intelligent mode. And you have various settings for the car in here. So for example, driver assist systems can be adjusted here, and also the start stop system you can deactivate it here, as well as the auto hold function. And yeah, well, all the things can be adjusted here regarding the car. And also I did a full review during the day where you can see more details about the infotainment system itself. If we press the home button, you go into this home menu, press it again, then you have just the picture here. Press again, these pop out, and when you swipe it to the right, now here you have the My Apps. So the Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connection are available. When it comes to your mobile phone, and yeah, also here is the My Car, so the car settings that you have already here as a shortcut, you can also access them here as well. Again, the surround view when you indicate on lower speeds. And by the way, when you swipe it like this, you can also change various things. You can change the mode, dark mode or light mode. Of course, now during the night we have this dark mode, and you can also adjust the brightness. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel and check out my full review during the day as well. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.